15 divided by 5 equals 3.
The title of my article is Genetically Modified Babies. The speaker is Marcy Darnbosky, who is the Executive Director of the Center for Genetics and Society. The occasion is that the FDA is having a meeting to discuss radiological biological procedures, which is genetic modification. The audience could be anyone who is considering having kids or people who have genetic disorders or have genetic disorders in their family. The purpose is to dissuade the audience against genetic modification, and the subject is genetic modification and whether or not it should be used in the future. The tone the author uses is argumentative. This helps the speaker prove her point because it gets her ideas across and ensures that everyone agrees with her and not the opposition. The author also uses logos because she is the director of the Center for Genetics and Society. She knows a lot of information about genetics. She uses statistics, research, and scientific diction, but she also makes sure that it's not too complicated so that the average person could understand. Darnbosky also uses concession and rebuttal. When used together, it helps her prove an argument because it shows that even though there are some positives to genetic modification, the results are still unclear and that it should not be used until further experimentation. My question for you is, do you think genetic modification should be used by scientists now, or should be used later? Or if genetic modification should be used at all? And if you do think it should be used, do you think it should be used just for genetic diseases or disorders, or do you think that eventually that we could use them for anything, like let's say making someone smarter or better at sports?